Alrighty, so I'm here for week 3 overview. Again, I'm on the Launchpad. I see Canvas, I see iReady, I see Reading Plus, and then Newsela is right here. So I'm going to start from Canvas. So again, you're going to remember that you have my language art course, you have PE, art, and music. It's taking a long time loading today. Alright, here we go. So again, you have your language art, you have music, art, and PE right here. So make sure you guys are doing your work on those as well. And then this is where you watch your announcements. So I'm going to go to my language art. And I'm going to go to my modules. And then again, you can click on the arrow to minimize it. So I can only see the week 3 materials, which starts tomorrow. And then Monday, I'm going to start from the announcement. Must to-do list, you have your Nearpod lesson, reading, iReady reading lesson, and I also added Reading Plus lesson, and green light on reflex, and read your book and take your AR quiz. That's your must list. And the May list, you have your Freckle reading or math, Khan Academy missions, and Prodigy. So that's Monday. And then you have your Nearpod lesson. I'm gonna go to next, which is Tuesday. You have your math lesson for 30 minutes, but you don't have your Reading Plus, but you do have your Newsela assignment. So that's your Nearpod. That's your Newsela. Moving on, Wednesday. Same thing as Monday. So if you notice, I keep Monday and Wednesday the same, Tuesday and Thursday the same. And then here comes Thursday. You have Nearpod and Newsela for Thursday. And then Friday you have your, if you have your 16 minutes on iReady reading and math, you can do your learning games, and then you have your 15 minutes on Reading Plus. So that's the week. Again, conference is where you can come see me if you have any questions. My office hour again is 10 to 11:30. And 12:30 to 2 o'clock every day. And then we do have our read aloud at 7 o'clock. So going back to my Launchpad, Reading Plus is right here. That's something that Ms. Pena wants you guys to do. So make sure you go on and complete your activities. I am not going to do it here because I am not Theodora. One more, iReady is right here. So and once again, if you have hard time accessing Newsela, you can come back on your Launchpad and then you can click on Newsela right here. And then it will have all the assignments and all that stuff for you to go right here. So if you want to go that way, you can do that as well. And the reflex math is right here. Remember, I am checking everything that you're doing. And I know moms have been receiving messages from me, so make sure you're keeping up with your work, so I'm not marking you absent or I'm not giving you failing grades on your assignment. So good luck this week.